Guys, this is Belgium and Bruges. We are. So let's sit around and have something to eat. Pass that phone so Sam can take a video. Hey Sam. Sam. Tell me bini var. Tell me bini ko live, bini normal video.
Okay.
Man.
Okay.
Right. That's good. Are you from here?
But I moved from Poland to here and now I live here.
You live here. So do you work here or you study?
I work here.
You work here.
Yes.
How long you been in Belgium or Bruges?
Around 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah,
So,
so I'm still kind of new here.
kind of new, but you know your way around.
Sorry?
Do you know your way around?
Yes, I think.
You think? That's good. Enjoy your stay. What's your lovely name?
Magdalena.
Magdalena.
Yeah.
That is a very Polish popular name, isn't it? It's very popular for
Yeah,
Polish.
I think that maybe like 50 years ago it was more popular. Now, not really.
Not really.
But still some people in my age
Have the name. Okay, Magdalena, nice to meet you. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Yeah, that's it, Magdalena. Oh, I see her. This is from Poland and she's been here for like a year. And she loves it. She said, actually, yeah, she likes it here. And easy to get around with a bike than a car. So yeah, and it's free parking everywhere you go. It's free. I think your bike will be safe as well. So that's the ice cream place. Saya nelon. Nako saya nelon. Dada is sleeping. Dada is sleeping. Slapan. No. Why? Ice cream. Ada mangga round. Buy one more round. Yeah. So guys, this is an ice cream place. It seems very popular. It's like the place in Blackpool called the Notorious. Oh, this one here is popular. It's called Da Vinci. It seems like Italian as well. It seems Italian. Da Vinci sound Italian. I guess it is. But yeah, same as in Blackpool. Yeah, everyone is licking the ice cream. Wow, enjoying it. Waffles and everything. So yeah, seems like everyone around here sat here is having an ice cream with them. So it must be a good place for that. Well, that must be the waffle. Yeah, that's the waffle place. So they're doing the waffle. So yeah. You see, was the one questioning me earlier what you filming. Well, I just ignored it. I ignored that. I didn't see nothing to it. So guys, probably they didn't seek permission like they're going out. But yeah. Oh, thank you, whoever gave us a thumbs up. So I guess you're the first person to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much appreciated. Right, okay, let's take you around again. We're getting ice creams. Ice cream. Waffle, chips, and everything. Omar, Osman, what are you having? What's it called? What's the name of it? What is the name? Huh? Vanilla. Vanilla what? Vanilla. Just vanilla. Vanilla ice cream. Vanilla. Wait, yang itu, lo itu apa? Di mana flavor? Lemon. Lemon. Ah, lemon. Wow, guys, it's quite busy in there. Wow. Quite busy. Yeah. So guys, if you're just joining us, this is in Belgium, this is Bruges. Belgium.
Want ice cream? You want ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
I'll have vanilla as well. We have the same taste. Vanilla. He's asking me what ice cream am I having, so I'm gonna have vanilla. Vanilla ice cream. Let me show you guys. This is how busy it is. really busy in there, really busy. So I think we need to cool off or cool down the vanilla ice cream. So this is it. Wow. Mela, I'm going to go. Lemon bill, I'm not more.
My mom already paid.
Huh?
My mom already paid.
Hey, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay, bill.
Vanilla ak melon. Yo, kasi yooyu amut.
Lan amut.
Kasi
No, bana.